Ever wondered how to turn a humble patch of dirt into a thriving green oasis? Welcome to the world of gardening, where the magic of nature meets human creativity. Today, we delve into the latest tips and tricks straight from a garden center expert, guaranteed to turn your garden into a paradise no matter its size. Firstly, let's dive into the importance of soil preparation. A garden is only as good as its soil. Enriching your garden's soil with compost or manure can provide necessary nutrients that plants need to grow. Remember, a well-fed soil means well-fed plants. Next, consider the power of companion planting. This practice involves planting different crops in proximity for pest control, pollination, providing habitat for beneficial creatures, maximizing use of space, and to otherwise increase crop productivity. For instance, planting basil alongside tomatoes can help to repel pests and enhance the flavor of your tomatoes. Watering may seem simple, but it's more than just turning on a hose. The trick is to water deeply but less frequently. This encourages plants to develop deep root systems, making them more resilient and less dependent on surface water. And of course, always water in the early morning or late evening to prevent water loss through evaporation. Don't overlook the importance of pruning. Not only does this help to maintain the shape of your plants, but it also promotes healthy growth and flowering. Remember, the best time to prune is late winter or early spring, just before the plant starts to actively grow again. And lastly, let's not forget about the benefits of mulching. Mulch helps to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and improve the soil's structure. Plus, it gives your garden a neat and tidy appearance. To summarize, the top gardening tips from our expert are: enrich your soil, practice companion planting, water wisely, prune regularly, and don't forget to mulch. With these tips in hand, you're well on your way to creating a garden that's not only beautiful, but also bountiful. But remember, gardening is not just about the destination, but also the journey. It's about connecting with nature, learning about the cycle of life, and reaping the fruits of your labor. So, roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and let the magic of gardening unfold. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of expert gardening tips and tricks. The world of gardening is vast and full of beauty, so don't be afraid to dig in and discover what it has to offer. Happy gardening!